Hello and welcome to Mrs. King's instructional video on how to record your playing exams using Charms. The easiest way to record your playing exams is by using either a smartphone or tablet. Both the Google Play and Apple App Stores have a free Charms app that you can download in order to record your playing exams on those devices. You will need your school code and your password in order to log into your Charms account. The school code is LDBellOrg and your password is your student ID number. Unless you have changed your password for security reasons, it should always default to your student ID number. If you do not have a smartphone or a tablet, then you will need to record your playing exams on a computer. The first thing you will need is a microphone. There are many different types of microphones. I personally use a headset microphone, but you can purchase a cheap microphone either in a store like Office Depot or Best Buy, or online from retailers like Amazon.com. In fact, I see here that there is a cheap clip-on microphone for $6.19, and if you have Amazon Prime, then you get also free shipping. If you're not incredibly tech savvy, I would suggest purchasing a USB microphone rather than an analog microphone, as they tend to automatically configure and work without having to mess with your computer's settings. There are two different ways to record your playing exam on your computer. First, make sure your microphone is plugged in and working before you start any other process. Then you will need to make sure that Java is installed on your computer. Go to java.com and click on the red button for free Java download. You will also need to click Agree and start free download. Go ahead and download Java and then complete the installation process and then restart your browser. If you already have Java installed, it's a good idea to update Java before attempting to record your playing exam, as Java tends to have a new update every other week. Once Java is installed, you go to ldbellorchestra.org or ldbellorchestra.com. They will take you to the same place, and click the link for Charms. This will automatically take you to the orchestra's Charm page without having to input the school code. In the upper left corner, you will now input your password. If you have forgotten your password or your password is not working, stop and email Mrs. King at allisonking@hebisd.edu and ask me to reset your password. Once your password is reset, it will default back to your student ID number. When you have successfully logged in, you will see a screen that looks like this. There are many important pieces of information in Charms, the most important which is your financial record. The next important one is the Recording Studio. Go ahead and click on the Recording Studio button, and the Recording Studio will take a moment and then it will appear. Once the Recording Studio appears, make some noise on your microphone and make sure that this green bar is moving up and down. This is your recording level. You can adjust this if it is too loud. If this green bar is staying still and not moving, then there's something wrong with your microphone. The next thing you need to do is go to the right here where it says Select Assignment or Accompaniment and scroll down to the test that you need to take. Now, if this is not coming in like mine is, if it's not scrolling down, click here and then click back and that will fix it. Okay, scroll down to the assignment you want to take. I'm just going to pick one randomly. When you pick the test, down here at the bottom in red it will say Assignment Information. This will tell you what it is that you're supposed to be taking the test on. When you're ready to record your test, you will click the red Record button. If I click this button while I'm doing this video, it will actually mess up my video and it won't work. So I will explain this and you go ahead and watch where I move my mouse. You will record your test here by pushing this red button. When you're done, you will hit this stop button. It's a square. Hit the stop button to stop your test. If you're happy with that and you think you did a good job, you can sit here and listen to it by pushing the play button. If you think that was a good job, you can go ahead and hit the save button. You must hit the save button here in order to save your test. If you do not hit this button, it will not save and I will not be able to listen to it. If you did not like how your test came out after listening to it, you can hit the red X here and it will delete that version, and then you can start the process again by recording it again. So then you can hit record, you can hit stop, hit play to listen to it. If you like it, you must hit the save button. When you hit save, a little thing right here will appear that says uploading test. When it's uploaded, it will say uploaded, and then it will appear down here at the bottom. At the bottom, you can see what one would look like if you had just uploaded it. Here it says playing test from 9/7 of 2012. The date was uploaded is 6/24/13, and right here is a red button that means, or a red dot that means that I have not listened to it or reviewed your test or graded it yet. Until I have graded your test, you can still go in here and delete this test and then re-record it if you didn't like it. And then once I listen to it, it will look like this one down here. It will show the date still, but then that red button will become a green circle with a check mark. I will put your grade in here so you can see it, and I will also give you comments, and these comments are very important to help you understand why you got the grade you got and how you can improve on the next test. Once I have graded it, you will not be able to delete it again. This right here will serve as an electronic addition to your student data folder that you keep in class. If the recording studio is not working and you are using Internet Explorer, I suggest that you try a different free browser such as Google Chrome or Mozilla. You can also contact CHARMS customer support for help at charmsupport@charmsmusic.com. If you still cannot make the recording studio function on your computer and you do not have a smartphone or a tablet, there is one more alternative method for recording your test. You can use a free program called Audacity, which I will explain in a separate video. If you use this alternative method for recording and uploading your test, you must save your test in an MP3 format. MP4s, AVIs, and other formats will not work properly, and you will need to convert them into an MP3 before uploading them to the CHARMS server. When you upload that test using a different method for recording it, you need to click up here where it says uploading existing MP3 file, and then you can choose the file on your computer, and you can also write me a comment and then upload it. Again, make sure that test appears down here at the bottom. If it doesn't appear, then it's not uploaded. I hope this video was helpful, and good luck with your tests throughout the year.